Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this Independence Day related question. And here's our question. The square root of 1776 whole power 2 divided by 12,321. And now our task is to simplify this given radical expression. And we are going to calculate the exact value of this given expression. And please bear in mind, we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Let's focus once again on this given radical expression. Let's focus on this part in the numerator, 1776. And here I have put down the year 1776 over here. And now I'm going to break it down. So I'm going to divide this one into 2. If I divide into 2, we are going to get 888. And now I'm going to divide by 8. So we are going to get 111. And now we can see 2 times 8 is 16. So therefore 1776 could be broken down into 16 times 111. So once we figured out 1776 could be broken down into 16 times 111, let's focus on 11. If I take the square of 11 is going to be 121. And if I take the square of 111, then this is going to be simply 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. In other words, we got these 3 digits. So in the middle of this number is going to be 3. So therefore we are going to write 1, 2, 3 and then going to go backward and then 2, 1. Likewise, if we have a 1111 and we are going to take the square of that one, then it's going to be simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. In other words, we got these 4 digits. So the middle number is going to be 4. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we are going to go backward 3, 2, 1. So therefore, our year 1776 could be broken down to 16 times 111. And likewise, 111 square could be written as 12,321. As you can see over here in the denominator, we got 12,321. And since we got 1776 whole power 2, so therefore I'm going to take power 2 on the left hand side, and likewise I'm going to take the square on the right hand side as well. So therefore this could be written as 1776 whole square could be written as 16 square times 111 whole square. And now let's focus once again on this given question. In the numerator we got 1776 whole squared, and we know 1776 whole square equal to 16 square times 111 square. So therefore I'm going to replace this numerator part with 16 square times 111 whole square. And likewise, let's focus on this denominator, 12,321. If we look at this thing, 12,321 could be written as 111 whole square. So therefore I'm going to replace that one with 111 whole square over here, as you can see in this next step. And now we can see this 111 squared and 111 squared, they are gone. So therefore we are ended up with this square root of 16 whole square. And now we can see this square and square root undo each other. So therefore we are ended up with 16 as our answer. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the value of this given expression turns out to be equal to 16. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.